If you've ever wanted to send someone directly to a specific frame in Figma, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it. Copying a link to a frame is super useful when you're sharing a design with teammates, clients, or developers because it takes them straight to the exact part of the file you want them to see. It saves time, removes confusion, and makes collaboration much easier. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and find the frame you want to share. You can select it directly on the canvas, or if you prefer a cleaner way, you can click the frame from the Layers panel on the left. Make sure you select the correct frame before moving on, because the link you copy will point to whatever is currently selected. Once the frame is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you a few different actions you can take with that frame. Now hover over the option that says Copy and Paste As. When you move your cursor over it, a submenu will appear with more options. In that submenu, click Copy Link to Selection. Figma will immediately copy a shareable link to that specific frame. At this point, you can paste that link into a message, email, Slack thread, or anywhere else you need to send it. When the other person opens the link, they'll be taken directly to the selected frame in your Figma file. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can copy a link to any frame in Figma and share it exactly where it needs to go. If this tutorial saved you time, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple design workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.